just home from the office, and my two favorite patients were asking me for an adjustment today. So it must have been a rough day at summer camp. So we're going to take a look at Christian, see how he's doing. What's going on today, buddy?
Nothing.
All right, let's see these little legs. Yeah, you're a little short on that left side there. All right. Right up in here. Take a deep breath in, bud. All the way out. Good. Excellent. Good. Turn this side up for me, buddy. How'd that feel? Okay?
Good.
Good. Yeah. Relax. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. All the way onto the back one. Good. Did you have a fall today? Excellent. Excellent. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Excellent. High five. Next patient. All right, Princess, go ahead and lie down. How are you doing today?
Good.
Fantastic. Relax. You're off on that right side there. Deep breath in for me. All the way out. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. This side up for me, please. Where do you go? Taking a long way around? Keep going. No, keep going. No, all the way on your side. You're acting like this is your first adjustment.
And
All right,
she's
pull that arm out.
happy to you.
Good. Put that knee right behind that knee. Good. Right there. Real quick one. Breath in. All the way up, blow it up. There you go. All the way on your back foot. All right. There. Good. Nice and easy. As you see, the technique we use with kids, my own kids as well as children in the office, is very gentle. You only use a 2-finger pressure, about the amount of pressure you would use to test the ripeness of a tomato. All right, guys, you just received your adjustment this week. Christian, tell me why you like to get adjusted. What does it do for you?
Because it helps my neck when it's all crooked and when it's all loose, and then it like gets back tightened, and it helps me when I go to bed.
What does it do when it helps you go to bed?
Well, my neck doesn't like hurt when I go to bed.
Okay, anything else in school or sports does it help you with?
Yeah, kind of. When in baseball, when I hit the ball, it kind of doesn't hurt when like I hit the ball.
Excellent. So anything else you want to add that you like to get adjusted?
Yeah. It helps me a lot, when I like play outside, I get a lot more energy and stuff. So I get to run more. Play tag you're in, I always win.
That's
with
great.
Katie.
Getting adjusted is almost like cheating, right?
Yeah.
You get the edge.
Yeah.
That's great. That's why a lot of professional athletes have chiropractors also, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Hey, Katie, how about you? Why do you like to get adjusted?
Because it helps my neck with playing soccer and stuff, and it helps my neck and feels good when I get adjusted with when I sleep.
Excellent.
Stuff.
Anything else? Anything about school or sports? Does it help you with?
Running.
It helps you run. Helps you run faster?
Yes.
Excellent.
When like she jogs at school, like we have like this ginormous track, so like she would go out there and like in gym she would like run around like 2 laps, and then she would go on the playground. So that's
Excellent. All right, guys, did you enjoy your adjustment tonight?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep better?
Yeah.
All right, great day tomorrow.
Okay.
Love you guys.
Love you
Love
too.
you too.
Say bye, everybody in the chiropractic.
Bye,
Bye, everybody in chiropractic.